Hey, partner.
Hi. I got no makeup on, a hat because my hair is a disaster, and a hickey. I mean, no, I don't.
I wanted to take a moment to tell you guys our plans because we are leaving, what, in like 5 days? 6 days?
6 days. 5 days.
Yeah. Yeah, we're leaving
Oh my God.
next week. And
Oh.
we're going on a trip around Georgian Bay.
Yeah. I'm just like thinking of all the things we still have to do, but that's okay. One thing at a time.
Once we're back from that 2-week trip, we're going to come here and pack up the rest of our stuff and head out
like
west.
3 days.
Yeah, we have a few days.
All in 3 days.
Yeah. Oh, and I'm getting a vasectomy in a few days too.
Just throwing that out there.
There's
Woo!
a lot going on.
That's gonna be fun. Road tripping with like friggin' you just had your penis chopped off. Is that what they do?
What? We've done an awesome job with this Airstream, honestly.
I love it. I thought the Luna was sick before, but this is just like a whole other level of awesomeness. It feels homey, it feels warm, it feels exciting whenever we're in here. I miss it when I'm outside of it. It's everything and more.
It's getting cozier and cozier and more customized to us and our needs and our growing family. And yeah, it's just adding more character, which is amazing. And we're really learning a lot of skills putting all this stuff together.
Absolutely. And I'm learning how crazy it is that so many things in our lives and our homes are toxic. It's true, because like they just have chemicals in them, because we've been putting so much effort into creating a non-toxic, sustainable, responsible home in here. And that means using products that don't have chemicals, that are more natural.
Yeah, just doing more research, before we, buy a product. It's just doing a little more research and understanding that business and supporting businesses that we want to support.
To create a better life for yourself, for the environment, for other people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been eating mainly plant-based almost for a year now. That's crazy.
Good job.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, so we're hitting the road. And we got some stuff to do still. But in this video, we got quite a bit done. Thanks, Mom, for coming and staying with us for 2 weeks.
Yeah, it was huge help. I'm really excited to get back in here because it's been like a couple years since we've been in here, and we want to be in here moving forward. Okay, let's get to some renovations, and then we're slowly going to be getting ready to hit the road.
Yeah!
This is your first meal up here at the table. What are you having?
We had pasta.
Oh, is it good?
Yeah.
If you have been keeping up with our Airstream renovation videos, then you know that I've been attempting to make paint quite a few times. I've been working with natural pigments, just earth pigments, clay. I've been working with flour. I tried flour paint. Didn't work out the way I wanted it to. So I eventually found a local company just located in Toronto, so a couple hours from us, and it's a milk paint company. All natural ingredients, no chemicals, and all you gotta do is choose like the color that you want, and you add water to it, and it creates a beautiful non-toxic paint. So I did it. First try, it looks amazing. It like really thickened up when I added the powder to the water, and I'll show you what I got. Blended that up in here. It's so nice. It's called Cartier. And I'm gonna paint inside of Kai's treehouse bunk bed today. First coat of paint is complete. If I had balls, I'd be sweating them because it is hot. I have finally completed painting inside Kai's treehouse bunk. It looks really nice. I also went over everything that I painted and stained with a hemp oil just to seal it. And all of this product that I used is all natural, and that is what makes me really happy and feel really good about what I've done, because it took a lot of research, it took a lot of trial and error, but I finally got it to where I wanted it to be, and I didn't settle for just going to like, I don't know, Home Depot or Benjamin Moore's and just getting whatever paint because it was taking so long. I'm glad that I did the research and I found non-toxic, super natural, like I'm talking clay, limestone, natural pigments, that's it. And came up with this. Look, it's amazing. One thing I want to change is the moss eventually, because when Sia bought it, it did say natural, but we're like, it doesn't look natural. It looked different in the picture than when it arrived. It's very bright. It is reindeer moss, but they did dye it, and I don't know what they used to dye it, so I want more of a natural look. It looks really cool the way it is, and I want to like replicate it exactly, but we'll do it down the line. I think it looks good for now, but eventually I'd like to swap it out for just like natural reindeer moss, that very muted greeny gray color. I think that would look really nice there too. Today I'm making a milk paint wood stain, so I'm using the same products from the same company, Homestead House, and they make all natural milk paint and stain, and I'm going to be making, this one's called Pacific Redwood. So basically it's the same technique as what I was doing for the paint inside Kai's bed, but I'm watering it down more to make it more like a stain so you can see through it, see through to the wood. Whereas the paint yesterday was way thicker so that it could create like a matte finish and you couldn't really see the wood. So we're gonna blend it up and see if we need to add more water or more powder, and then go and paint the inside of our the ladder we're doing today, and one of our feature walls that has the apothecary cabinet. And then once we get our door, we're gonna do that the same color. That's what happened with the paint that I did in Kai's room. So, but what also happened is it started to settle at the bottom and it was very liquidy. So I'm just gonna let it sit for a bit because I don't want to add too much water and then it's too liquid, like it's too liquefied. So I'm just gonna let it sit. I can already see it. I'm gonna, just let it sit for a bit and then we'll pour it into a little jar.
There's like a little bit of a scent, but it's definitely smells more natural. Like
I don't smell anything.
Like the smell of wet rock, right?
Yeah,
if you've
okay.
ever been around rocks after the rain, that's what it.
Well, that's basically what's happening. Right?
And what is this? This is limestone,
clay,
milk paint, clay,
milk protein, clay, limestone, and just natural pigment. So, like either it's like crushed up rocks or different types of like plants.
Can you? Like,
don't
not
eat
that you would eat it, but like if you did lick it, it's not going to be like paint. It's not toxic, right?
It's not like paint, but it does say on it like don't eat it. Just because it's natural doesn't mean it's for consumption. It just means it's not don't do it.
I'm so curious though.
Yeah, but don't do it. Why you gotta be a rebel all the time? Just know the limit. See ya.
Hey.
Hi! It's looking really good.
Yeah, it looks very organic.
Yeah. I like it. I'm happy with it. It's going on nicely. You have to make sure you like wipe it right away. because it will leave streaks, like unwanted darker streaks. And I'm also like dabbing it too into the wood, and it's creating a really nice effect. I'm putting a hemp oil, just straight up hemp oil, over top of the stain I painted yesterday and also Kai's bedroom, just to give it extra protection, to seal it. And yeah, it's really beautiful. It actually looks, see, I made a point, it says it looks more expensive, but I think so too. It looks more natural and you can really see the grains of the wood pop out, which is nice. And I love that it's just hemp oil, food grade hemp oil, straight up, non-toxic. This place is turning exactly into what I want it to be, which is a non-toxic, organic, beautiful home.
And Kai's rock climbing wall is blending in perfectly.
So fun. I wish I had this when I was little, her age. There will be on the road natural rock climbing walls.
Tomatoes are doing good. Strawberries, small but mighty. Carrots are looking good. Arugula. This is looking beautiful. Ooh, lettuce.
I've had my eye on the shelf for probably about a year now. It is made by a father-daughter duo, and they live in BC, in Chilliwack, BC. And I found them and their company, what they do on Etsy, which I am obsessed with. We've gotten a lot of stuff off of Etsy, which I like to just support artists who are trying to make a living off of their beautiful art. It's a great platform. And we are missing one thing I've got to add to it. Luna, the moon cycle drawer. Beautiful. Look at that.